Here's a nice example of the Yashica Electro 35 GSN camera with the fast f1.7 45mm lens. This example is really quite nice, and everything that I've checked on it seems to work. I've put a battery into it, and we can see the light comes on here when I push the battery check button. The battery won't come with the camera when I ship it, but I put it in just for demonstration purposes. We'll flip the lock off so that it works. We can see the shutter is working, and if we set this on B, we can see there it's open, and then if I find the aperture ring and turn that, we can see the blades opening and closing. So that all works just fine. And if we switch it to auto, and if I set the ASA to a very low number so that it, and then we set the aperture to a small number, we can see that it is definitely responding to light. And the self-timer on this one works. We can see there it's running smoothly, and there it finished. These lights on the top, there we can see those coming on. I haven't worked with this to see exactly how there we see the bottom light. I've got it at a setting where that comes on. There's the top light. I hear a little noise in there too. I don't know exactly what that means. If we open this up, inside and the back, it looks like everything's working fine. The film transport looks good. If we open up the lens all the way and set this on bulb, and we look through, I know I can't show very much. I do see a little bit of contamination in there. Some of it might be on the rear element, but there's probably some dust in between the elements too. So either have to put up with that or have that cleaned out. There is some residue from light seal material here on the doors. I see that's crumbling, so that should be replaced. Door closes properly, and it does come with the original Yashica cap and this fitted case. It screws in there, and this fits around the back and snaps. Nice Yashica case.